what the happened to Bradley Cooper's face and eyes? If you're interested in learning more, it's time I step in. Bradley Cooper's eyes and forehead have become the subject of increasing online speculation, with many people alleging blepharoplasty, brow surgery, or other facial procedures. Personally, I do think something about his appearance looks different or off compared to earlier years. But here's the important point. There simply is no evidence that Bradley Cooper underwent plastic surgery to his eyes or his forehead. In fact, he even denied it outright in a recent interview. As plastic surgeons, or even as informed observers, we have to be really careful not to present speculation as fact. It is really unfair to Mr. Cooper to confidently allege surgery, let alone botched surgery, without any evidence. And frankly, it is unfair to society to casually blame blepharoplasty or brow surgery whenever someone's appearance evolves over time. Because lighting, weight fluctuations, stress, sleep, aging, facial expression patterns, injectables, skin quality, hairstyling, that's a huge one with him, photography, and medications can all dramatically influence this periocular region. But here's what most people aren't talking about. Significant weight change can alter orbital fat volume and eyelid fullness. Aging too affects the bony orbit itself, not just the skin. And systemic conditions, even including thyroid disease, can cause something called proptosis, or forward displacement of your eyes, that dramatically change someone's appearance without a single incision. That possibility hasn't come up in this conversation, but it should. This discussion highlights something critically important in male facial aesthetics. The periocular region is extraordinarily sensitive to change. Small alterations around the eyes and forehead, whether it be from surgery or aging, weight change, or underlying health conditions, can meaningfully shift the masculine character, intensity, warmth, or familiarity of a face. And this is why restraint matters, not only in surgery, but also in speculation. Because in male facial enhancement, preserving natural upper eyelid anatomy and brow position and forehead balance, all these things, and the unique character around the eyes is so much more important than aggressively chasing smoothness or tightness, which works better in women. Sometimes the goal is not to erase every sign of aging. The goal is to preserve identity and dignity. And that distinction is what matters most. I know some of you guys are gonna say that I am his surgeon. I know others will say that he paid me off to write this video, but I promise you, I'm neither his surgeon nor was I paid off. I think it's only fair to Mr. Cooper and the community at large to stop guessing and alleging botched surgery when there is no evidence that it exists. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. I would love to talk more on these subjects as much as I like to steer away from gossip in general. Take care.